is going to be a bit of a to-do list video. Just odd little jobs or things that are happening around our property. But the first thing we need to do is to replenish our wood pile. It's a bit depleted. So James is off to do that now.
Hello everybody, just doing a little project here on this fireplace. It's in danger of falling over, and I think one thing I can do is to point between the bricks to sort of stabilise it a little bit. I've started already on the bottom bit, the hard bit. So I'll just carry on with that, and it makes it look a little bit better too. Just been picking out all the rubbish between the bricks, bits of mud, moss and things like that. So I've mixed up a batch of material to put in between the bricks, and I'll start doing a bit. I'll put you on time lapse and we can rush through a little bit of it. One more project. Butter in a sandwich, I'll just get a bit more.
third job is putting weed mat around our trees because we're sick of battling with all the weeds. So we've put it down on this one. The metal bar things there, they're just to weight it down until we get the wood chip. So we better go and get that now. And while we're about tidying up all around our trees, last year we tried wool, so I had a lot of fleeces, and as you can see it didn't work too well. So we better dig up around these and put something else around the bottom, and so let's get that one done. In our video of the raspberry patch, we only had this half done, and now we have the other half. You'll notice these are much bigger sticks, canes I should call them. So we expect to have fruit on them this year. Don't expect anything from these ones this year, but hopefully next year. We'll keep you posted.
Well, hello everybody. Here we are. Another project for James. I need to put a hotbed lid on these tubs here so we can grow vegetables a little bit earlier because of the frosts. So make these seedlings a little bit frost tolerant. I'm just using whatever material I can get, and I'll just see how I go. I'll take that hay out when we get going, and I'm planning to put some lettuce in there, get some greens going, because winter time there's not many greens about. Alright, I'll put you in time lapse, and you can all watch me bumble my way through it. Just look in here, that's my silver beet spinach. Planted that in late autumn, and for some reason it's grown. We had a lot of frosts. Okay, I'll set you up. So, managed to finish the lids for the hot boxes, the new hot boxes. We're going to get rid of the hay in the top of these boxes, and we think we're going to plant some lettuce. So I'll put you on time lapse again, see how we go.
Time to get these boxes painted. Hi everyone, well thank you for watching until the end. Just before we finish up this video, there's something that I wanted to ask you guys. Next month we will have been here for 2 years. Can't believe it has been 2 years already. We're going to put out a video of Q&A. So if you have any questions you want to ask us, please pop them in the comments below. For all those people who have been following us from the very beginning, thank you so much for joining us in our journey. For others who are new to here, please like and subscribe and help us to grow this channel and keep showing all the things that we're going to get up to. We've got so much planned, but we've got another video coming out in a fortnight's time, and then the one after that will be our Q&A, and we will have been here for 2 years. So look forward to seeing what your questions will be, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.